everyone, welcome back to Crochet by Sean. Today I want to show you how to make the third type of handle for the towel rings. You can see we've just got some little chain stitches in there. So I went ahead and made the first one, and you will want to take the first one and fasten it off at the end there. But we're still using the size H crochet hook. So go ahead and make your slip knot. And we're going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make sure your chain is laid straight. Turn it to the back and go through the back bump of that first one. And make sure it's straight and not twisted. You're just going to slip stitch that through to form a ring. Then we're going to chain 3 to start the next row. Flip it over. We're going to tuck in the tail, so don't do anything with him yet. Go through the back bump, pull up your loop, and double crochet right on over it. This way you don't have to tuck ends later. You can just crochet that tail right on in. We're going to do 1 double crochet in each back bump all the way around, so you'll have 20 stitches. And you can just kind of pull that and now you don't have to mess with the tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 here. Okay. And by going through that back bump, you can see we already have a finished edge here too, so you don't even have to do anything with that. We're going to go through the top of that first chain 3, go through both bars of that, pull it through. We're just going to slip stitch it on through to form the ring. Now we're going to chain 3 again for our first double crochet, and we're going to do 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So you're going to want to go back through that same joining stitch right there to do 2, and then 2 in each one around. And you can use solids if you want. I happen to like the variegateds. I did use the size H on purpose because it makes a tighter, firmer fit for the towel ring so it doesn't stretch out when you put the towels in it. But do 2 in each stitch around, and we'll have 40 by the time we're done. Then I'll show you a new way to hook them together, something different. Oops, I forgot to do 2 in there. Okay. Should see where we're at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. If you crochet a little tight, go ahead and use a little bit larger hook. If you crochet pretty loose, then go ahead and use a size smaller hook. That'll help you get the tension and the gauge where you want it. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Almost there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to go up the top of that first chain 3 again. Go through both top bars and slip stitch it. Do not fasten your yarn off. We are going to chain 20 or 18, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. I just pull this to the back because we'll tuck it later. You're just going to go in one of these stitches. And slip stitch it on through. Now you're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we're going to go back to the first one. And slip stitch it right through. Then we'll make another 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, you can see where you're at. We're going to go back through the other side up here. And slip stitch it through. Then you can go ahead, leave a tail long enough so you can tuck the ends. But there's your 3 strings. Now we're going to flip it over to the back. And tuck in our tails. Maybe. And you'll want to make a knot first. And then just pull it through yay far. Then we'll go ahead and tuck this other one in. Maybe. And it's already got the knot in it, so we'll just take it up through the other side. And there's your other towel ring. Simple, easy to make, and 3 different ways to do them. Thanks so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like us. And we will see you next time when we do microwave bowl covers. Thanks so much. Bye.